Pruning my bonsai lemon tree. This is a Eureka lemon semi-dwarf tree. I just bought it yesterday. It's already producing fruit, but I want it to be bonsai. It's in a 2-gallon bucket, which I'm going to keep it in. I'm going to be careful how I prune it this time because I don't want to remove any of the fruit that's growing. But I do want to prune it and trim it as a bonsai lemon tree. It's nice and thick. This tall branch right here is what I'm mainly concerned with, because with bonsai I want to keep it smaller. And this tall branch does not appear to have any fruit on it. So I'm going to clip it right here after the node, removing this piece. I came across an article yesterday and the topic was evergreen citrus. This is interesting because a lot of people, when they think about evergreens, they don't consider citrus. But apparently citrus can be considered in the evergreen family, because where the citrus trees originally come from, the climate is pretty much the same year round, and so the citrus trees normally have the same color leaves year round. A lot of these branches have fruit on them. This one does not, which means I can trim it. I'm just trying to figure how do I want to trim this one. It's growing inward, which is interesting. This one and this one have fruit. This one back here has fruit. We'll think about that for a minute. How I want to prune that one. These over here have flowers and the beginning of fruit. This one does anyway. This one has flowers. So, with these up here having fruit on them, I don't want to trim them until after harvest. But this one inward branch, I kind of want to remove it because it's tall and it's growing inward. I'm not sure if I want to keep that one like that. There's a small branch back here that is strapped to the back of the post. It's a thin branch, but it's producing fruit. Sorry about the airplanes. We seem to be close to an airport here. So it's this inward branch I'm concerned with. How do I want to prune the inward branch in the long run? And I think I want to eliminate it. To eliminate it, the best way I think would be to go back and prune it before the node. simply eliminating that branch. Now, as for the rest of it, these branches are bearing fruit, so I want to wait until after the harvest to prune it again. I've cut back on how often I prune my bonsai fruit trees. I like to let them grow, let those stalks get nice and thick. So this is my newest addition to my collection of bonsai fruit trees. The Bonsai Eureka Lemon Semi-Dwarf Citrus. I have 3 bonsai trees now in citrus. The lemon here, and this one is a Persian lime. And then over here, mandarin orange. The mandarin orange is getting nice and thick in the stalk. We'll come in for a closer look. Mandarin orange bonsai tree. It is producing fruit. The oranges right now are very small, but they are present. I've also added the growing of herbs in the bonsai tree pots, and this is eyebright herb, which has medicinal qualities and has been traditionally used in the making of eye medicines. This foliage came with the tree and will be plucked out and replaced with something else. I'm also trying something new. When I prune the tree, I take the cutting and try to root it, because if it successfully clones, I can make more bonsai fruit trees. This is Food Alchemy of Stephen School. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.